Hello everyone, welcome to my channel HemuAfterStrategy. On this channel I'll play strategy game where planning and smart decision matter. Today we are starting with Captain of Industry. Let's begin. These are the two DLCs. Okay, we are starting with the Setter Island. It's a new one which is introduced with Captain Industry 4 update. We are going with the Captain difficulty. For sorting, this is we are customizing our value. For starting, we are taking 80% increase. For settings should be enabled. I will tell everything one by one. Construction refund full, because it's a long game, so it's better to refund everything. Here we are going to enjoy only, nothing else. Reroll. You can reroll the name Hunting Enclave. So currently in this first session we are only established. Okay, so let us start. You can pause, you can speed up 2x, 3x. There's some other way I can increase the speed to 10x, 15x, 20x as per my requirement. So now the first thing is that we need to produce iron. To produce iron, if you want to see how to produce iron, you click this one. This one, sorry. So you type here iron, it will show you how to produce the iron. Okay, now if you click this, it will take you from what is the main source. Okay, if you click this, you know what is the primary source. Now you understand. So this will come. Okay, so if you click this, it means you can select anyone. Now let's start. First is to build a coal maker and connect to smoke stacker. So just building the iron. So before starting, in this we have research. This is a large research tree, you can see. Next, so how I start, I will select what is the which research in building I select. Generally I put 6 or 5 at a time, because you see here unity. This is the resource which is a belief. If they believe you, they will provide unity. If they don't believe you, they will leave here and your unity will be lost. So we need to utilize this unity at the starting. Okay, 6 building, I can cut it and paste it any place. Okay, so you need to use Control X, X only, and select and move. Okay, so this 6 is the research building. Now in the research, what I do, I am targeting in the research this first. So if I select this and click on add to queue, automatically this will be added. After that I am targeting this. We need it urgent basis. We can, if I want to remove this, I click on this, remove. Okay, you see order change. Again I click this, Now I'm targeting directly belt, crop rotation. This one. So this is general view. Perfect. Now after some time we'll see other things. There's another reason why I added this 6. You see, to run anything here, we need the electricity, and this use 3 diesel and produce 800 electricity. In the initial starting point, there is you if you put everything, you cannot utilize this 800 kilowatt power. So what I did, I'm utilizing this. So 6 people and 25 unit is the less consumption. Let's start with what I want to start. Okay, diesel. Why I put here? You can see here in the shipyard, this is a damaged shipyard which we need to repair in the future. But in the shipyard we have some fuels, so I put it here. Also the reason is we have total this many vehicle. So this is one tea harvester. It will cut down this tree. If the tree is cut down, I need to assign 1 or 2 vehicle which will deliver from one location to another location. That's why if it's near, then the movement is less. So if it's pick here and deliver here, so less travel time and less fuel use case. Yeah. Next, we start with coal. Before starting with the coal, let's start with something. So let me put it here. So these are our layers. In the layer, we need iron. Iron you can see here. Sand you can see here. This is limestone. This is copper. This is coal. And this is bauxite, I think. Yeah, bauxite. We can ignore this. But in the initial level, you need this, this, and this on priority. Also, you need water, but leave it. And also, you need fuel, which is important. For now, let's start. So I can see this is here, this is here, this is also here, and this is here. Okay. Okay, okay. So let's start. So first I create one blast furnace. Okay, fine. When I put one blast furnace, it will produce 24 molten iron. All molten iron will consume by this metal caster. So if I click metal caster, it will consume 12 and it's producing 24. So I need 2. We are providing some spaces because of belt or different technology which will come in the future. Okay. We can reduce or but we can increase. Okay, perfect. Now either you go here, you want to move this molten to here. So to do that, we can select this, or better idea is that click this and okay. I need one smoke stack. Currently, I am putting it here. You will understand after. Now we'll also need coal. Perfect. So this is coal maker. It will produce coal. So I this will produce 18 exhaust. Okay, and this will can consume 60. So that's why I'm planning this way. So you see, 6. If I put it here and if I put it here, okay, perfect. Now what I need to do, I take this, drop some point. Perfect. Okay, more just talk. Okay, leave it. That's fine. Perfect. Now this is constructed. So your goal maker, this is now you need. Okay, you want to feed these people. So so what I do, you don't want this to move, vehicle to move too much. So try to avoid it in the initial level. Let me see which is best location. No, will not work. Is there any location? What I'm trying to achieve that it should stuck. No, it is not connecting. Fine, no problem. I cannot do it like that. Okay, before that, we will also do one thing: waste collection. Okay, whatever the waste it generate, it will accumulate here, and we can dump it somewhere. Is it again? Perfect. Leave it. Now this is done. This is done. This is done. We can remove after some time, but for now this look good, and this is set up. Okay, fine. Okay, now this requires wood. To get the wood, you click on this. Either you click on this or you can click on the keyboard H. Okay, now select this. Try to select the nearby place so that the movement of vehicle should be less. This need 2 vehicle, but let it go till reach here. Don't assign in the initial level. Okay, let's start. One more thing, one confusion. This how it will get iron scrap. So it will get from here, you see, and it will either, and also it will, if if it's present here also it will get. Uh, Currently it's not that, but it will come. You see, 240 kilowatt I need. Let me put it. You can increase the priority or decrease the priority based on your requirement. See, you got the first message. I click, I assign to vehicle. Now see, if it will pick the fuel, you see, and it will drop here. Okay, it will take. Now you see, even I introduce this, it will consuming. How much it will consume? Nothing. It will not consume anything. This will not consume anything. Okay, let it run. So this will open. So let me close this. So you can see, if you click this and delete, you can delete something. If you want to delete this, click this. If you want to cut, which I already explained here, this is planning mode. This is important mode in which you can arrange your things. So if you are in planning mode, if you put something, they will not pick anything and put it here. They avoid it. Okay, if you want to upgrade or downgrade the things, if you want to pause, for example, I want to pause this everything. Let's assume that I want to pause here everything. You see, it pause. If I want to run with Unity, if I click on, it will consume some Unity. You see, this Unity is coming. We already understand this, that's why I'm removing. Next, okay. Next is assembly. It's important. So if you want to build anything, you are consuming some parts, construction part. So we need to get that construction part. To get this construction part, we have assembly. Okay. Okay. See here. In the construction part, if I click this, okay, it's a planning mode. This is input side. This will be the output. Okay. So here it can take 3 input and 1 output. Whenever you are trying to build now, try to build in this mode, building mode. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, copy. Okay. Now let's see. If I click on this select recipe, I can select the recipe. I can select multiple, but try to avoid it. Now, if I click this and click on V, I can apply this setting to different also. It's already applied. So it takes 4.5. It's producing 12, 24, and taking 4.5. Okay. Now the second thing, there's another recipe called this mechanical part, which we also need. So what we do, we create this. Okay. You'll understand why we are giving this much space everything after some time. But like this, now we change the recipe, we unselect and select this. Now we need to create one more. Okay, this will generate this. Okay, now I will unpause. I need this 4. First I need this 2 only. We'll deal with afterwards sometime. Yeah. So we have dealt this everything. Okay. One more thing I have seen. It's too bright. So I need to control the brightness where I can do that. Let me on this particle effect. Let me hide. I can put it again high. It's already high. Let me put it high. That will not impact anything. Yeah, yeah, perfect. It's providing too much brightness. I think. Okay. Now what we need to do? Let it run. Maintenance we deal after some time. So iron production is done. I can get 50 diesel, 50 construction, and 30 vehicle part. Yeah. Now it's too slow. So to increase the speed, you can click on tilt button. Now here you need to type a command set just 1 minute game speed speed equal to you need to provide that value which you want. For example, I want 15. So I click this. Okay, this will not impact in my system. So this is 15x now. Okay, if I click this and leave it, you see it's on. Now also this construction part will completed. Here diesel production, research lab, these are the things. So I will collect it. Perfect. They are going smoothly. Now we need to wait. Yeah. So why I force myself to get this captain captain office because it will help me to increase this unity. Okay, you can see here if I click on R, F, like these things. If I click R, it will rotate. If I click F, okay, it also. But if I click Shift F, okay, it's rotating in the same position. But if I click Shift R, nothing happens. Okay. Now, where I need to go? It will be easy to go there and perfect. Leave it. Let it be. Okay, food production is also done. I got 40. But there is major issue with that. Now, okay, this one already done. Let me reduce the speed. Okay, we need to build beacon. We are building beacon because we want to increase the population count. Currently, you see, we have only 90 people. Okay, have building. Now we also need to build this trading port. Trading port will consume that wood. Okay, no problem. Apart from the forcing. Fine. Currently, see, its waste is collecting. We are not going anywhere. So what we need to do, click on Z and drag it for now. This tool I will explain in future, but for now this is fine. And I need to unpause. So other tools I will explain after some time. Also, we need this one, vehicle. It will produce more vehicle. We can put it at it. You see, not enough worker. Now here I put food consumption increase by 20%. So if I increase this, I will get 1 unity. Now my unity is increased. I can use the unity to build immediately. For example, there is nothing, so I cannot. Okay, not enough workers. Let me pause, which is unnecessary for now. This should be the highest priority for now. Okay, we got the refugee. So this is increased. Now first thing this, second thing this. Now we also need to start the construction. Perfect. So now we also get this. This is important. Unit storage. This unit storage will store whatever the component will come. So if it's raw material thing like dirt, limestone, coal, this type of thing will come in loose storage. If it's hard type material, so it will come on this So let's start with this one. You see, this is an output. I will put it here for now, so we can copy paste it. It's easy. Yes. You see, this is an output. So output will go to the input. So what we need to do, we need to put, we can provide the space, we can not provide the space. Currently, I don't think I need to provide any, I need to provide the space, I forget. Because let's assume that I will copy this, same. So it will require some space. It will not require space, not required. Okay, let it be. Okay, now I select this. I need to assign which product. So I want iron. So whatever the iron will come, it will come here. Similar. I need this. This will output to, sorry, not vehicle part, mechanical, like construction part. Okay. Perfect. Leave it. Now also this will require two things, rubber and copper. So I again need to, okay, sir. Yeah, I need this. Perfect. Now what we need to do, this is done, this is maintenance. Okay, we'll deal with the maintenance. Okay, this will come here, this will come here. So I want to, I need a space of this much. Perfect. So let's start the building. uh, what are the things I need? I need this. This is uncost, this is uncost. This will be my mechanical part. This will be my electronics. This will be my copper. Anything else left over? This is my electronics. What will generate electronics? So how can it be electronics? It will be rubber. Perfect. Perfect. Now let's resolve one issue. Trading. I need to trade concrete slab for iron. So this is area. I need to okay. I collected. Now this is the important part. In the initial level, you try to maximize this. Okay. So you need a couple of unity because you see every time I use it will cost me 0.5 unity. Okay. Don't worry, now people will come. So you can ignore. Yeah, important thing. Now the important thing, I need a one tree harvester, two builder. After that, two vehicle, then this one. Okay. Ignore this, it will come after some time. You can see within 4 months, another refugee will come, 1450. Okay, one more thing. So every time a new refugee will come, they will bring some loots. Okay, and now another thing, if you want to track this thing, so click off this. Uh, for example, I want to track electronics. So perfect. Mechanical. You can rearrange the order. If you want to put wood on the top, I want this to be on the top, iron to be on the top, this too important for me, and this. Yeah, one more thing I missing. Soil rotation is good because you see, if I don't rotate it, this fertility is going to decrease. So I am putting in soil rotation. Okay, so general idea is like that. You can put it like this, but since it's consumed too much already, so I'm putting it so that it will increase. Now at the same time, I will create one more. Okay, so let's just speed up. Now you can see no research. Let's add some research. The order should not be maintained. Okay, you can put at any order. That's now the major thing is that now anything, any order will be fine. Perfect. Now this is done. This will be fine. This will be fine. Yeah. Second thing, let's start with second important thing. I have this much. Okay, no problem. Now we can produce this. This is important. This is the second tier of the product we can produce. For example, I want to produce this fuel station. So to build this, we need that. So what you do, you build this. So remember one thing, when you are building this now, always with that thing, there should be a space of five, there should be a space of two tiles. I will explain it. I will explain properly. You see, if I put this, if I want to put this, I can put it. If I want to put this, I can put it. But the thing is that there is one issue. You see, I created everything like this. So this this one this will contain one product. That is what I put it here. And if I want to do this, okay. Now if I want to put one more, see, I can increase the height. See, it can go up to height 5. I can go to 0. But if I want from here, it's not working. If I increase by E, so there is a general rule here in this capital industry. First product will come like this. Okay. Now, if you want second product, you want one space. Okay. If you want second product, you will put E. So you see, this should require how many tiles of space? 3. Now let us assume that you want to increase the height 2. This is 1. This is 2. Okay. This is the. Now let's see in practical. First product will come like this. That is when that first product coming is like this. It's going like this. Maybe there is a other one, so they also want to connect. Now, if you want second, you can put it like this. So you can put it like this. Okay. Now that is in the third. It's not crossing. So what we do? So best idea is that we start with the top third level. Okay. Last one you can directly put it here down, and this one that's not very good. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. So this is your second position. So like this you need to create. So always remember, from here to here you need some spacing. 4 to 6. Now there's another way. It's called lift, flat lift. This is another way which I will tell you afterward, but for now leave it. This one done. ये बाद में करेंगे. This one also done. Oh, I forgot that. So I told you there should be a space of 3. So it's like that. One is coming directly, and another one, if we can reduce everything. That's not the issue. We'll talk about that afterwards. Now you can see this is decreasing. So what I do, This is the fun part. What we are going to do, we are getting a loose couple thing. ये इनपुट हो गया, हाँ ठीक है. I'll put it cool. Cool. Okay, now we can create vegetable. So I put vegetable here. Perfect. Vegetable. I also need one more. This will be vegetable. Blueprint we already done. Having, I will teach afterward. This one will deal with afterward. This one we deal with. I'll leave it. This will come meat. This one we can do here. We can check. We can increase the production. We can reduce food consumption. This type of things. Why I selected the second variety? If you see now, if we have different varieties, the consumption of one type of will be reduced. At the same time, they are also getting the vitamin. So I'm going to get some bonuses. Perfect. I'm waiting for this. Perfect. I need to pause this. If I leave it now, it will consume. It will consume in slow rate, but it will consume some resources. Okay. Uh, Perfect. So now I got 16. And we'll deal afterward. Afterward. So it's not enough vegetable. Two, three. Okay, we'll connect. So idea is that now currently they are the trucker is taking the resource and putting in somewhere. So I want to remove that thing. So what I will do, I will automate the whole process. Okay, I'll take this. Okay, this is 50-50 split. It will come, whatever come, it will split 50-50. Okay, now I want to stop using this builder tool for now. I can use the Unity also in automatically. Okay, now one thing is automated. Perfect. Now this is automated. Now they will not deliver anything. Now the issue is that I need to pick everything and deliver it. So what I do, I automate that also. Perfect. This is done. This is done. And here everything is done. Now here we all also we can automate. Now the next part is that this one. Where is Unity? This thing will reduce my workload. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Now the thing is that it will also require something. So we'll create, so currently it requires wood and config. Okay, so best thing is that we do like this. This will output, this will input. Don't worry about this. We'll adjust this one. Okay. So this will come. This will come. This one we need to adjust. I think this one. This one. Now I need to reverse it. But the last one, below one, let it go like this. Let it go like this. Rather than this, concrete. I need wood here. Perfect. Now what I need. Okay. Also here I want. Hmm. Perfect. Let this remain for now. Second thing, we need to start mining the iron because you can produce this. There's another recipe called, I don't know. Okay. To produce this, we need to build first mining designation. Let me check later. Where's some mining designation? You can search it also. Mine control tower. I search it. Now we need to edit the area. Okay. I will create a rectangle. I will select that area. Now I need to save it. Similar way, copy this. You can create one more. I need a location where I can dump the resources. So if I click Z, initial level, it's a flat ground. It will create flat ground. If I want to create a slope, I need to click this one. This way I can create a slope. Maximum vehicle can travel to 2 space, so that's why I created by the 2. If I now from this point I want to Now it decreases it. So now let's do whatever. Oh, it says I should cut it. Okay, perfect. Now the thing is that second thing, or sorting. What it will do, I'll explain this one. You can put all type of resources. So what are the resources you can put? See, and it will sort it based on its goal or that thing. So generally, I put it like this, and initial level you can ignore this, use storage, but I will create. Before attaching it, let me add. I want iron. I want this one. I want raw. For now, this three is fine. So iron will come from here. Next will come from here. Next will come from here. So this bucket for sorry iron. This bucket for your dirt, and this is for raw. Perfect. We can ignore this one. This one perfect. Perfect. I have two vectors. One up, which is in pause mode. Okay, almost everything is over in the first sequence. Second sequence, this is left over. This is everything is working perfect. We'll go one by one. We can leave this one. We are not going to do. Okay, when we are dealing something, we'll deal. How many worker we extra worker? Okay, free housing space. How much we have? Let the next one come. Let me speed up the whole process. Okay, one more thing. Now, after assigning this, I need to ask them what they need to dig. So I want them to dig from here to here. Second issue, if I leave them, na, they will dig everything. So what I do, I select them to extract iron. Same thing, I ask them to extract iron. So they will prioritize iron. If they don't find, then they will do anything. Now also I need to edit this area. They will focus on this. Okay, reject single. What in this what will happen? If it's contain only one type of product, it will reject. Import, let it be import. Okay, I'm touching this much, no problem. Only 7 more. Now 33 months. Good. Yeah, one more thing. I can automate this also. One second, one second, one second. I have a mistake. The issue is that it will only press potato. This one is this. I'll let one more come. After that I will stop. We can also, yeah, let one come, because if I stop it will save 80 kb. Now what we can do, I want to do, but let's wait. Yeah, this is good amount. If this is good amount, I need to purchase coal. I need to purchase perfect. This is perfect. Since this is the last one, I will ping it. So as I explain this, I will tell you after all. Okay, let it recover. Okay, put it and let it pause. Now I stop this. Since there is a poor housing space, leave it. Now here you need to understand this one. If I do this, it means as soon as it will reach 40, the vehicle will come and try to empty it. Okay, same thing. If I do this, the vehicle will come try to fill this. If I do this, it means this is your belt. If I move this belt and I do this, so it will secure till then. After that it will push something. If it's more than this, it will push to the belt. If it's less than this, it will not push to the belt. Same thing this way. Okay, since I need to throw everything from here. Oh, sorry. After 40, I need to throw it. Same thing after 40, it will come. Second important thing. This one, allow partially loaded truck. Unselected. You see, it's full. Perfect. Now I can utilize one more thing. As you can see, this is too heavy and consume too much fuel. Now it will come from there to here, so it will consume fuel. To reduce that thing, this is called let me see, like fuel station. We use fuel station. Okay, fuel station. I put it here, and there is a. Okay, for now let's leave the fuel station. Okay, we have. Okay, we are ready. Okay, we are down with this. Now this important thing is called concrete. We'll work with it. As you can see, we have less concrete. One more thing. You want to be this to be empty. So you click this always and put it on higher. So whatever in this, they will try to use this first rather than they are going another places. Second thing, if I select this, perfect. I need to start construction of this also. Okay. This one will be easy. Hope so. What I need this one is storage to store the data, and second thing what I need, let me think, vehicle part. You see, use of Unity. Let me pause everything. Now I don't think I need anything except I need to start another thing. So it will try to fill down. Same thing here. Now I need to harvest everything. So I see whatever I see, I just harvest it. Now they will harvest it. I don't have to worry. Second thing, now I will need to utilize this. Okay, there is one issue that if I do this now, it will generate one slag. Okay, so we need to throw that slag. Again, this is slag. I will select slag and I'll put it 40. So whatever the slag it will generate, it will come here, put it down. Perfect. Important thing. Where is Unity? See, now I'm getting one extra unity. So what I'll do, it's good idea in the initial level because you can see my fuel is not reducing. Oh, perfect. Then I will put it for this. So maintenance will be reduced. Previous maintenance. Okay, why maximum people are avoiding now using flat conveyor and use safe and fine? Because it will start consuming now this thing. Unit maintenance. So rather than maintenance, they use flat. Okay, but the issue is that this flat lift will consume 4 kV, and in the initial level, you should be more concerned about it. Okay, you cannot put, no problem. Where is this? Use story. What I do? Perfect. I'll go to the loose again. will put it here. Now I will ask them to bring all the protest. So whatever the protest, it will be here. Same thing we can do for this also. This will require this. Remember. Okay. This one requires some spacing. I can ask for vegetable. Okay, let me collect some rewards. Hmm, perfect. Today we have done the setup of this things. Okay, that's all for today. We'll meet tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.